Hello friends, in this video you will see how we can delete or remove list elements. To remove a list element you can use the del statement. If you know exactly which element you are deleting, for example, here is my variable lst which will store some value. It is January and Feb and March. Now let's remove or delete an element from my variable lst at index position 1. So it will remove element at index position 1. Now print your list. So it will remove or delete at index position 1. The item is Feb. So the remaining item will be January and March. Save the file. Okay, one quote is missing here. So you can see the result January and March. So using del function you can remove element from index position. You can use remove function also. If you do not want to use this del function, you can use remove function if you know exactly which element you are going to delete. For example, lst dot remove and the element is Feb. Now print your list. So here it will remove your element Feb. You can also use pop function. Pop function can also be used and return an element from list. When you use pop function, it will remove last element from your list. You can also use indexes with pop element. So it will remove item January at index position 1. It removes the element at the specified position, and index is passing is optional. If index is not passed, so it will remove last element from your list. Now let's see how to traversing a list. Traversing list elements. Traversing means to visit and display each element of the list on the screen is known as traversing of list. This can be done by applying loops. For example, here is my variable lst which will store some list items, and using for loop we can traverse our list elements, where I is a variable which will store some list element. Now print I. So using for loop we can traverse a list or accessing list elements one by one. You can also use the same format here without variable. If you don't want to assign list elements, so you can use directly list element with for loop. So it will gives you the same result. So that's it. Just try how to delete elements and traverse list element using for loop and in the next video we will see how we can perform some list operation, concatenation and replication. So thank you for watching the video. If you have any doubt or query, then you may write an email. Thank you.